May bago na namang Korean fried chicken na dapat nyong matry. This is crispy, juicy, and downright delicious. Hi guys! This is Samsam Chicken. Last December lang sila nag-open, located at 3rd floor, Greenbelt 3, katabi lang ng time zone. Kumpleto sila dito, may all-day breakfast, pasta, noodles, main, rice, coffee, and dessert. Love the ambience here, very cozy and Instagrammable. We ordered Sam salad. Very fresh yung mixed greens nila. Maraming fruits like mangoes, grapes, and tomatoes, kaya very refreshing. Ang sarap ng black sesame fried chicken. Winner din yung pineapple vinaigrette nila, sweet and sour yung take. Pati kids ko, sobrang nagustuhan tong salad na to. Our number one favorite sa lahat ng in-order namin sa Samsam Chicken is their fried chicken. Gangjong glaze yung in-order ko na flavor kasi ito daw yung pwede sa kids, manamis-namis. My daughter was begging me to try this first kasi ang yummy daw. At it's true, crunchy, tender, juicy, and boneless. At yung glaze niya hindi nakakaumay na type. Excited to try the other flavors soon. For the drinks, we try the Ice Yuga Slush, which is honey citron, Ice Dalgona, Peach Aid, and Iced Butterscotch Latte. Carbonated juice itong Peach Aid. Mahilig talaga ako sa peach flavors and love the fizz. Nagustuhan namin ni hubby yung mga iced coffee drinks na in-order namin. Hindi ko pinala sweet itong mga drinks namin pero tamang-tama lang yung timpla nila. Gusto ko yung aroma ng butterscotch latte nila. At itong Iced Dalgona naman, may unique deep caramel flavor which I really love. Sobrang winner din itong garlic shrimp pasta nila. Yung son ko nag-aayang bumalik kami sa Samsam to order this again. Very garlicky. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano sila ka-generous sa garlic. Very well cooked itong pasta na to. Buti na lang for sharing yung in-order namin kasi naubos namin to. Next is sa all-day breakfast naman, the Bulgogi Tapa Bibim Brunch Bowl. I like the Bulgogi Tapa thinly sliced kaya ang dali-daling kainin. Gusto ko rin yung may pickled vegetables and onions on the side pampawala ng umay kaya may konting asim. Sa sandwiches naman nila ang trinay namin is the Bulgogi Philly Cheesesteak. Na-try na namin yung OG Philly Cheesesteak and this one is way tastier. May mushrooms, mozzarella, peppers, and onions. Nice din na may handmade potato crisps and dip on the side. Pa-order pa kami ng garlic fried rice nila para sa chicken. Tingnan nyo yung garlic fried rice nila, oh, may edamame and corn. Maganda yung quality ng rice na gamit nila, malagkit-lagkit. Syempre, hindi pwedeng mawawala ang dessert. This is their chocolate decadence. Instant hit sa family ko kasi ang sarap niya. Not too deep yung chocolate at hindi siya cringe at tamis. Bagay na bagay sa hot coffee. We love our first experience dito sa Samsam Chicken. Memorable sa amin ang food kaya we'd love to try more sa mga ino-offer nila. Plus, ang ganda pa ng ambience and service. Kaya kapag nasa Greenbelt kayo, you know where to go.